Hey guys, Pace Morby here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is part of a series in my welcome videos when you first join my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be talking about the 3 ways to make money in real estate. Now, here's something that everybody thinks. Everybody thinks that in order to make money in real estate, you have to be a real estate agent, or commonly known as a realtor. It's not a realtor, by the way. You knuckleheads that call it a realtor, that's not a real word. You made that up because you don't know. It's actually pronounced realtor. So real estate agent is also known as a realtor. I'm gonna tell you guys something. It's gonna hurt some of you guys' feelings. Real estate agents are not real estate investors, okay? Now, they can be both, but is the guy painting my house on my fix and flip, is he a real estate investor? No, he's a service provider. He provides a service to the person who is a real estate investor, and that's the same thing with a real estate agent. Same thing with a notary, right? If you're somebody that does paperwork and you make sure that people's signatures and all that kind of stuff are signed off before closing documents are done, or let's say a title or escrow agent. Those are different things, by the way. A broker, how about a painter, a lender? Guys, these are not real estate investors, okay? So when I talk about the 3 ways to make money in real estate as a real estate investor, I'm not talking about being a service provider. Now, again, can you be a broker and a real estate investor? Yes, but you're wearing 2 completely different hats. Can you be a real estate agent and a real estate investor? Yes, but you're wearing 2 completely different hats. One says realtor, one says investor. But when you look at a real estate agent and you think you're gonna make a lot of money making money in real estate, being a realtor is not the way to do it. Let's do a little Google search, okay? In about 10 seconds, we can find out how much does the average realtor make. Google says realtor salary in Mesa, Arizona, $109,000 base salary. First and foremost, realtors don't make a salary. Pay attention to that. Don't make a salary. And there's no effing way that that is the average, because here's why. 60,000 licensed real estate agents in Maricopa County. How many transactions are happening every single month? About 10,000 transactions are happening every month, which means that only 1 in 6 realtors every single month are actually selling or buying a house for a client. There's no way that the average is $109,000. Do the math on that. I would say the average realtor, let's go back to this. There's no way that's possible. Okay, here we go. This is good. How much do real estate agents earn? Real estate agents aren't likely to be rich, but some are, okay? Real estate agents range quite from a modest 25,000 or less to more than 1 million annually. Okay, obviously it's gonna range dramatically. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, this is good. In 2020, right here, in 2020, the median pay for real estate agents in the US was roughly $49,000. The lowest 10% of earners made less than 25%, while the highest earners made more than $112,000. Okay, you do not wanna be a realtor. I'm telling you, you do not wanna be a realtor if you're trying to be a real estate investor. There's a lot easier ways to make money than being a realtor, okay? You could be a bird dog or you could be a wholesaler, find deals for people like me. My wife, who is a realtor, she probably makes about $100,000 a year as a realtor for us, but she makes $250,000 a year just helping us find deals. So what would you rather do? That is the first way to make money in real estate, is being a wholesaler. Wholesalers go to sellers of real estate. They find distressed property owners and they bring those houses under contract to fix and flippers like myself or other fix and flippers, and they make what is called an assignment fee. Now, with wholesale, this is a massive industry. There are 147,000 transactions happening every single month in wholesale nationwide. Ask me how I know. First off, I know how to use Google. Most people don't, but I do know how to use Google, and I also own a title company where we get private data that helps us understand what kind of transactions are out there. So 147,000 transactions happen every single month in just wholesale. Wholesalers, I would say the average wholesaler I know makes about $200,000 to $500,000 a year. Way better of a job than being a realtor, when the top 10% make $112,000 or higher. The bottom 10% make $25,000. Okay, you don't want to be this. If you're trying to be a real estate investor, it's okay to be this while you're jumping into this, but don't think you're going to be rich getting into real estate by being a service provider, a lender, realtor, notary, title and escrow officer, broker, painter. You're going to make a living, but you're not going to become wealthy and get rich by making this kind of money. So wholesale is the first way to do it. Now, with wholesale, a lot of people don't realize this, but you can wholesale deals both with cash cash and creative finance. So if you find a deal, your buyer might pay cash. You also can assign a Subto, seller finance, novation agreement, all the things, okay? In our next video in this series, we're actually going to talk about all the different creative finance strategies. In fact, I got a list right here. I won't show you the whole list, but I will show you that we have one, and we will pull that up. I call it the 26 strategies your mommy never taught you. We're gonna show you all those strategies in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But wholesale is probably the easiest way to get into real estate because it doesn't actually require any capital. I teach students of mine at subto.com exactly how to do creative finance and cash transactions and wholesale their first couple of deals so they can then ultimately start jumping into some of these. Number 2 is to develop. Now, you look at develop and it's such a broad term because develop could mean fix and flip, like a mobile home. It could be to buy a plot of dirt and build a building on it. It could be to tear down a building and rebuild a hotel. It is to develop. Anything that requires you to renovate it or build it and then sell it to somebody else would be called develop or do fix and flip. We do all three. If you guys missed the video prior of exactly what my business looked like, go back to that series down below. My team will put the whole series of videos down below so you can go back and watch them in order. But I showed you what my business looks like. I do all three of these. We do wholesale, we do fix and flips, we develop, and we do the final one, which is buy and hold. Here's what's great about all of this. Wholesale is money today. This is the advantage. I need money today, Pace. I need money in my business, making good money every single month. I need to quit my job. I hate my job, etc. Develop and fix and flip is I need bigger checks, okay? I don't need them often. You're gonna get bigger checks every 3 to 4 months every time you do a fix and flip. Bigger checks are found in development and fix and flip. And then buy and hold, you're not gonna get a lot of today money, but you're gonna get a lot of forever money, okay? This is forever money. This is the kind of money you retire on. This is the kind of money that your kids are living on, your grandkids are living on. Buy and hold is where you make forever money. And so we do a combination of all three of these. So when people say, I want to get into real estate, how do I start in real estate? The easiest way to start in real estate is I would go to Zero to Hero, okay? We did multiple seasons already. We did season 1 of Zero to Hero and season 2 of Zero to Hero. We're about to do season 3. And then on season 4, I will personally be moving myself and my family out to a random market. The market will be determined by the person who wins the contest. Wherever that person lives or wherever that person is currently building their business, I'm going to move to that city and I'm gonna build their business for them for 30 freaking days. So go to Zero to Hero and watch season 1 or season 2. This will help you get involved in real estate. It will help you get your corporate structure set up properly. PrimeCorporateServices.com is who we use. Tell them Pace sent you. The link is down below. It's gonna teach you how to get your website, name your company, set your corporate structure up properly, and then ultimately generate leads, close those leads, get those contracts on those houses, and then wholesale them or buy them for yourself. We teach you all of that stuff, okay? Both of those season 1 and season 2, we did those for free. If you have not heard about it, season 2, we did it in 26 days and we helped 300 people get their first contract. Pretty freaking dope. So these are the only 3 ways to actually make money in real estate: wholesaling real estate, developing, which is fixing and flipping, and buying and holding. Now, again, these are broad, right? Can I buy and hold an apartment complex or a mobile home park or a single family home or a commercial building or a piece of land? Yes, buy and hold means all of those things. It's a broad term. So these are very broad buckets: wholesaling, developing, and holding, keeping in your portfolio and building wealth. So in the next video, guys, we're gonna walk through all of the creative finance strategies that are out there, and we're gonna kind of just zip through them all really, really quickly. And then based on your comments in the downward section, we will make more videos helping you guys out with those individual strategies. And talking about making a comment, if you guys wanna get a one-on-one with me, please make a comment down below after you have subscribed, you've hit the notification bell, because my team, Eric, Giselle, Kelly, Ryan, Troy, Trevor, Shelly, Brock, Georgia, Connor, all of our amazing people on our media team. Wow, we have a lot of people on our media team. Damn. Guys, we care about delivering some dope content for you guys. So please make a comment down below. One of the people on my team will notice that you've subscribed and you've hit the notification bell. YouTube does tell us that. You make a comment of what you need help with in your business and they will select you to come and do a one-on-one with me. That video itself will be turned into a YouTube video and we will do some fun stuff together.